Welcome to Homestead Vista. This spacious 3,400 square foot home in the Reunion Resort sleeps 14 guests. It includes 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an arcade room, and themed kids' bedrooms. The southeast-facing oversized pool deck offers unobstructed views of the Tom Watson Independence Golf Course. It includes a tiki bar, barbecue, and fire pit. The living area includes a wall-mounted 75-inch LED TV with an option to use the motorized 150-inch projector screen along with surround sound. The dining table seats 10 with additional seating for 4 by the granite island countertop. The downstairs master suite with king bed and ensuite bathroom provide privacy for 2. You'll find a king bedroom on the first floor with a bathroom accessed across the hall. The arcade room features 2 NASCAR racing games, Titan air hockey, 3 across skee ball, Pump It Up dance, Ghost Squad Evolution, and also a PlayStation 4 and Xbox One game consoles. The upstairs loft walkway connects the second floor bedrooms and provides a feeling of spatial inclusion. The corner king-size master suite on the second floor enjoys a panoramic view of the golf course. It has a wall-mounted TV for private viewing and an ensuite bathroom. The hero bedroom sleeps 4 children in 2 full-sized bunk beds. It includes LED lights, arcade games, and a turbo tube. The superhero room is connected to a Jack and Jill bathroom with tub and walk-in shower. A second kid's bedroom has a full-size bunk bed surf van. Beyond the resort, you're only 6 miles away from Disney World and a short drive from Universal Orlando, SeaWorld, and other world-class entertainment destinations Orlando's known for. When staying at the Homestead Vista, your family and friends are guaranteed an unforgettable vacation experience.